Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix the corrupted update files error in Steam. Let's open Steam. Click on Steam here. Go to Settings. I just turned it on. Go to Library and Downloads. Here's the storage section. Click on the three dots and select either Repair Library or Initialize Library. If it's for a specific game, go into the library. Find the game you need and right-click on it. Click Properties. Click on Local Files and then verify integrity of game files. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, Downloads, and clear the download cache. But keep in mind, if a game was running, it'll restart from the beginning. So if you have any games updating, they'll start over. That's it. Then exit Steam and relaunch it. See you all later.